Data Ashish, I know you've been a great supporter. So hi, Dennis. Happy to see you. Ashish here from Surat, Gujarat, India. Nice to see you, my friend. I hope you're well out there in India. I imagine India is very hot, right? Uh, El Esplendido says they even have a mock stock market for sneakers called StockX. Also, not a big sneaker guy. Yes, El Esplendido, thank you so much for joining us. You know, I know you're a big supporter, and I think you're from Atlanta, if I remember right. Yeah, I learned about StockX just this week, and I learned about what was the other one they sent me to. I went to some other website that also tracks like real-time pricing of these shoes. You know, I guess people see them as an investment vehicle. I personally don't agree with that. But yeah, I guess you know some people do view it that way. For sure, the shoes are not cheap. But you know, I'm just doing it because it's just I just like the look, and you know, just doing it for I like, right? There's other things that I like, and I you know kind of sort of invest in. But I subscribe to that thinking of you should only buy the things that make you happy, right? Don't buy it for an investment. Buy it because you inherently like it, and that's what I do.